Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my great pleasure to present to you a topic on how to write a winning IDSC proposal. IDSC means Institutional Development Scheme Collaborative Research Grant, with a case study: dynamic stability monitoring and control of construction tower crane using digital triple AI and IoT. You can see a lot of people, myself, Simon Wong, Kevin Hong, C.W. Lim, C.N. Hong, and C. Tong from SFU, the I, HKMU, CTU, Oxford University. The most important thing to write a research proposal is to understand what is IDSC. The IDSC aims to fund research that significantly advances construction technology. That's in my case, though. Maybe other case you have a different emphasis. Improve industry standards and resolve pressing challenges such as safety, efficiency, and sustainability in construction operations. The proposal must introduce or apply innovations, technologies, or systems. Examples include digital twins technology, IoT integration, automated control, or new materials. The focus is on introducing appropriate but not previously or widely adopted in the industry. A successful project should demonstrate significant, scalable, impactful benefits, such as improved safety, productivity, cost reduction, or new industry standards, supported by clear evidence and evaluation metrics. The scheme favors projects involve multiple institutions, industry partners, or government departments working synergistically. Collective expertise and resources sharing are crucial for stronger outcomes and accelerated implementation. The funded research is expected to directly address current challenges in the real-world application, with pilot implementations, case studies, or demonstrator projects to validate results and support adoption in practice. Key elements of a strong proposal: clear, concise mission statement. Open a statement that outlines the central challenge, why it is time critical, and the expected impact of your research. Convey the significance both for the industry and the broader community, showing how your work advances knowledge and practice. Fit with IDSC priorities and funder values, such as promoting innovation solutions, industry-wide impact, and collective research across institutions or disciplines. Explicit reference how your project addresses current strategic needs in construction technology, such as safety, productivity, and adoption of digital tools. Demonstrate organization expertise and collective capacity. Include concise profiles of your project team, emphasizing past successful grants, a relevant publication and area of technical expertise, as the previous speaker presented to you. Detailed collaboration structures, name key partners, describe team roles, and provide documentation to reinforce your capacity of effective project delivery. Number 4, structuring your proposal. State the problem clearly with data and examples. Begin with a precise definition of the problem. Why you do it? Why investigate? using statistic, incident case study, or regulatory data to illustrate its urgency and scale. Cite current necessary reports or academic literature to show that the problem is recognized and significant for construction stakeholders. Reason rationales and industry relevance. Justify why your project approach is necessary and timely. Explain gaps in current technologies or methods that how your projects fill them. Demonstrate relevance by referencing policy, regulatory frameworks, or identify priorities in construction technologies and management. And crafting the project plan. SMART, objective. SMART, S-M-A-R-T. S, specific. M, measurable. A, achievable. R, relevant. T, time-bound. We have to break down the project into key phases. For example, technology development, testing, implementation, and evaluation. I assign responsibility for each task, like hardware setup, software development, analytics, field testing, supported by timeline. List concrete deliverables, such as technical reports, hardware prototypes, software modules, impact assessment, and stakeholder presentation. In the methodologies, we have to highlight innovations like AI, IoT, digital twins. AI is the algorithm for predictive and analytics. And IoT, sensor network for real-time data collection. Digital twin, between the simulation and the real thing, and document how this methodology interconnect for holistic project outcomes and industry impact. And then come to budget and resources. Has to be transparent, itemized budget with justification for each expenses. So co-funding matching resources whenever applicable. Ensuring impact sustainability and evaluation. Describe measurable impact, for example, improve crane safety, reduce accidents. Outline evaluation metrics and project sustainment beyond grant period. Highlight scalability and industry adoption potentials. Lastly, review tips and common pitfalls. We have to do proofread for clarity and consistency. Whenever you have misspelling, that is disaster. In particular, if you reference something that cannot be found, like ChatGPT gives you a lot of reference that you cannot find. I read several proposals, but once I found out that the reference is invincible, then it made me quite panic. Get peer feedback before submission. Avoid vague language and unsupported claims. Final reflection. Align proposal sections with IDSC objectives and expected impact. Thank you very much.